Hello, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, kindly press the red button down below. And very close to it, you will see a bell. Press the bell so that anytime we upload new video, it will come to you directly. So today, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Samsung Galaxy A10, J7, and S20, and every other Galaxy phone. The reason why you may like to reset your phone, maybe your phone has a virus or is not working properly, or you try to delete some things in your internal memory and you find out there's no changes on your phone. So you want to make your phone to be brand new again. You may have forgotten some of your password on the phone and you cannot get into your phone. So doing a factory reset, you will be resetting a phone completely to factory condition. So you want your phone to be reset as if you just buy it new again. So today I'm going to show you how you can do that. So let's get started. So the first thing to do, this Galaxy J7. The first thing to do is to come to you on your phone and you go to the setting. You go to the setting, and under setting you come to general. You can see it, reset. And on this page you have many options: reset setting, reset network setting, and reset accessibility setting, and factory setting. You can see factory setting. You can see factory setting. So what you need to do here, you can see factory setting. So you kindly press factory setting. And you press reset. But make sure all your information, you have stored your information, because the moment you press this, every information on the phone will be deleted and it will be as if you just bought your phone again. So that is for J7. And I will teach you, this is S20 phone. This is Galaxy S20. So you go to your setting and go to your maintenance. You can see backup and setting. So you press this and you can see factory data reset. The moment you press that, factory data reset, the moment you press factory data reset, everything on your phone will be deleted. So you make sure you keep every information it is important to you on your phone. So that is for JS20 and it works on every other Galaxy. But in case you have your phone and you don't know the option, you need to go on your Galaxy phone. I will show you what to do, and this will work for every phone, as I said. Kindly go to setting, and in this browser, you write reset. Reset. You can see factory data reset. It will give you the option on your phone, in any phone. So, you can see factory data reset. You click on that, and it has us reset phone. So click on reset phone. You can see it. The moment you click on reset phone, every data on this phone will be wiped away and the phone will be made brand new again. So let's go. Erase everything. So now the phone is off. And now everything on the phone has wiped away. And you can use your phone as brand new again. You can reset your phone as if you have just bought it. So thank you for watching this video. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly press that ready button. So don't forget to share our video, comment down below. Until we see you next time, thank you and God bless you.